Make a great choice today with the 2021 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.